Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Welcome back to the Wrapped in Scraps channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 4. We are 4 days in. And what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is just a couple little things I did to the wreath. Showing you some perfume combos. And my kids are going to be doing the gingerbread houses. So we're doing all of that. Also, I did a purse insert. I made a purse insert. You got to do a little DIY. So the purse that I did it on, let me show you, is this big one here. All right. And so probably can't, let me see if it'll focus. There we go. Okay. So this is the purse, and I made a quick little insert, and out of all things, I made it out of the little pad that you put down after you wash your dishes. Okay. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys too in the video. I put the big wreath we made yesterday on the door, and the one that I did the day before or so before is now right here, this little one here, and she's pretty. So just little things like that I would share with you guys. I'm still under the weather. I'm pushing through. You know, old people say I'm pushing through by and by. I'm trying to get through this. As you can see, I look like I've been in a struggle. I look like I've been in a fight and lost. But I'm doing pretty good under the circumstances. So still getting a lot done. It's at the end of the night. I'm going to upload this video as soon as I'm done talking to y'all. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you guys had a good day. I hope you guys got a lot accomplished. I hope you're grateful and thankful that you're here. And I am. And I got my coffee and a lot of tissue paper. And we're pushing through. But anyhow, let's get into the video. All right, you guys. So I started this day off back at the wreath. You know, I said I was going to put a lot of color on the wreath, but I couldn't help myself. I had to just put just a little bit more color on the wreath. So this is what I finished with. I added that pretty ribbon, and then I had to switch the stuff on the front door. As you can see, I was hoping my neighbors didn't peek out their house and see my crazy hairdo. Okay, I know I probably look like I'm naked in this. I'm not. I have a dress on that I'm sure you can see a little bit of, but I'm not nude, I promise you. But I was trying to really hurry up and hang this up before my neighbors walked by and saw me looking like Medusa. I'm happy with how it turned out. I really am really pleased as punch with it. Friends, I did add a little bit more ribbon just because I like color. I can't help myself. But here we are. Here's our wreath for the front door this year. Do we love it? It's all right. I like it. All right, you guys. So these are the frames I was talking about, the 11 by 14 frames. I was able to go back. They had 3 in stock, so I was able to get those 3. I'm still waiting for 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 of them. I ordered 10. So yeah, but I normally get these during Black Friday because they're $77 each. Go look it up online during Black Friday. They're $17, $18 each. So just in case you're looking for some good frames. To put most of my candles away, they go all the way back. I got some upstairs as well. So you guys, I wanted to show you, I had to get another bitter peach. So this time I got, I don't know, I think I've been through several of these. I got this one here. It's almost time for another Oud Satin Mood. As you can see, I'm halfway. I don't like to get halfway. Halfway is dangerous for me. But what I found is that bitter peach actually goes pretty good with Joe Malone's Oud and Bergamot Cologne Intense. Kind of makes the scent kind of last a little longer for me. Not a lot, just a little bit. Okay, because I haven't told you, Oud Satin Mood and Paradox, that's a good combo. I'm back, you guys. Anytime I find a combo, you know, of course I want to share it with you guys. So give me a moment. Okay, this is from Target, this vanilla bourbon. This goes really well with the Oud Satin Mood. It's a vanilla. Okay, it's called Vanilla Bourbon at a Parfum number 9. So that's really good. So I just picked up not long ago the Flower Bomb Nectar. I'm enjoying it. It kind of reminds me of, to be honest, it's real close to Paradox. So yeah. And then the Bella Blanca Oscar de la Renta. I picked this one up. I think I shared it, but I'm not sure. I got this actually from Burlington for like 26 bucks, something like that. Where's the price? I don't know, but I paid like half of what you would pay. This one's more florally. My husband doesn't like floral scents, but I wear them anyway. But I try not to wear it when he's here. I'm out of Bach Laroc. I got like a corner left, so I need that. That actually pairs well with Oud Satin Mood. It actually also pairs well with Bitter Peach, just in case you're wondering. And my oils. So my black raspberry vanilla oil, I make these. This one is a winner with Oud Satin Mood. Even the chocolate indulgence is really good with Oud Satin Mood. You know, and then I have a rustic peach, southern peach oil. Obviously goes well with the bitter peach. Just, you know me and my combos. Anyway, all right, you guys, so here's the quick little project. Get some dish towels from the 99-cent store, the kind that are thick, kind of like the stuff you would sit your dishes on to dry. We're going to make us a purse insert. Super simple. I'm using 3 depending upon the size of your purse. You can go bigger, you can go smaller. My sister reminded me of this. Thanks, Trina, because we made these a couple of years ago, but I completely forgot about it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your towel, you're going to measure the inside of your purse, and you're going to cut the bottom. Then you're going to take the other 2 and you're going to surround it, and then you're going to sew it all together. Now you can see as I'm moving real fast in this little video because I sped it up. But if you guys are really, really interested, let me know and I'll do a slower tutorial. But this is just great. The tote that I'm using, as I just showed you, is a Coach tote. And sometimes, you know, I use it to go to the beach or if I'm dealing with water. And I don't want to spill any of my oils. You guys know I like body oils and perfumes and all that. So I decided to use the towels, the thick pads of these towels, instead of an insert, because I bought one off of Amazon and my oil seeped through it. Okay, so I figured with these, since they're thicker, if I line the bottom with a thick vinyl, then I won't have that problem. Here is the insert all done. I just sewed around the corners and the bottom, as you can see. Super simple. Now you could put some stabilizer if you want to on the sides and then sew like a little sleeve around it, which I might do at a later time, but not today. I'm so under the weather, as I've stated numerous times. Anyhow, you guys, so I spent my time in the craft room today, just working, editing, you know, enjoying the vibe. I like to craft in the dark sometimes because I'm weird like that. So I'll put my little fireplace on my TV, and then I have my fireplace going in the room, and then sometimes I'll even put a fireplace or some nice little ambient lights out of the studio in the closet there. I'm burning twisted peppermint candle. Got my coffee, got my tissue box, and I'm editing and I'm watching stuff and I'm sewing stuff, and it's just a whole vibe. I'm just having a good time with my life. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my little portion of the video. Now my girls are going to be showing you their gingerbread houses because they do it every year and they're so excited to share what they made. So check out my babies making their gingerbread houses. Say thank you to Grandma for the icing.
Thank you, Grandma, for the icing.
All right, you guys, so that is the extent of this gingerbread house making ordeal. Now, my littlest one, as you can see, I think she ate most of her icing. I kept watching. I cut out a lot of parts. I didn't show you guys the whole thing of them making their gingerbread houses, but every time I looked at the camera, she was eating some icing. She later was like, "Oh, my stomach hurts." I bet your stomach do hurt because you ate all the icing, which is probably why your gingerbread house never went all the way up. As you can see, the other two girls, theirs is all glued together and looking nice. Hers is in pieces, and I think that's because she ate all the icing that was supposed to put the house together. But nonetheless, we had a good time. So I want to thank you guys for joining me on Vlogmas Day 4. Remember to stay wrapped in scraps. Remember to stay loving you, stay loving God, stay loving life. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember to please subscribe. I would appreciate it. Bye, guys.